If you are wondering how to unfriend someone on Snapchat but not sure how, then this video is for you. You might unfriend someone on Snapchat for a variety of reasons, including your privacy, where you want to prevent someone from seeing your private stories, or you want to stop someone from chatting or snapping you, or other reasons. So today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to quickly and easily unfriend someone on Snapchat. Watch the video till the end so that you won't miss out. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Tap on the profile icon at the top left corner. Scroll down, and under Friends section, tap on the option that says My Friends. Now, the list of friends that are added will show up. Find the friend that you want to unfriend. Press and hold the profile name. Here, you'll see multiple options. Just tap and Manage Friendship and tap Remove Friend, and confirming by tapping Remove again. And that's how you unfriend someone on Snapchat. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.